Imagine waking up one day and realizing that you can reverse tooth decay on your own without the need for a dentist's drill or expensive treatments. Sounds too good to be true, right? But what if I told you that it's not only possible, but also simpler than you might think? In this video, I'll dive deep into how you can cure tooth decay and reverse cavities from the comfort of your home. This isn't just another quick fix. It's a comprehensive guide that's rooted in science and practical application. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have all the tools you need to take control of your dental health. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Let's start by demystifying a common misconception. Cavities don't just appear overnight like a blister on your foot. Tooth decay is a slow, insidious process that many people misunderstand. You might have heard that once a cavity forms, it's game over. But that's far from the truth. In fact, the key to reversing cavities lies in understanding how they form in the first place. A cavity begins when your tooth loses its mineral strength, starting with the enamel, the outermost layer. Think of enamel as a honeycomb structure, packed with minerals. The problem starts when those minerals dissolve, which can happen due to various acidic foods, drinks, and even bacterial acids. This is where the story of a cavity begins. But what most people don't realize is that tooth decay is not just a dental issue, it's a systemic one. Your overall health, diet, and lifestyle all play significant roles in whether your teeth remain healthy or start to decay. For instance, a diet high in processed sugars and low in essential nutrients can weaken your teeth from the inside out. On the other hand, a diet rich in vitamins A, D, K2, and minerals like calcium and magnesium can strengthen your enamel and make it more resistant to decay. A cavity begins when your tooth loses its mineral strength, starting with the enamel, the outermost layer. Think of enamel as a honeycomb structure, packed with minerals. The problem starts when those minerals dissolve, which can happen due to various acidic foods, drinks, and even bacterial acids. This is where the story of a cavity begins. Now, let's explore what really happens. When your enamel loses minerals, it becomes porous, creating tiny openings that invite a bacterial gang to the party. The most notorious member of this gang is Streptococcus mutans, a bacteria that thrives on sugar. Once it latches onto your tooth, it calls its friends over, forming a sticky plaque. But here's the kicker. As this plaque grows, it produces acids that eat away at your tooth, causing more mineral loss. It's a vicious cycle, and if left unchecked, it will eventually lead to a full-blown cavity. But don't worry, we're not going to let it get that far. Let's break this down even further. The acids produced by these bacteria don't just attack your enamel, they also lower the pH level in your mouth. When the pH drops below 5.5, your enamel starts to demineralize, meaning it loses calcium and phosphate ions. This demineralization process is the first stage of tooth decay, and if it's not stopped early, it can penetrate deeper into your tooth, reaching the dentin and eventually the pulp, which houses the nerve and blood vessels of your tooth. Another crucial point to consider is saliva's role in this process. Your saliva naturally works to neutralize acids and provide the minerals needed to repair early stages of enamel damage. However, factors like dehydration, certain medications, or health conditions that reduce saliva production can significantly increase your risk of developing cavities. This makes it even more important to stay hydrated and consider saliva-stimulating strategies if you're at risk. So how do you stop this process in its tracks? The first step is to cut off the plaque's food supply sugar. Yes, that means reducing your intake of sugary snacks and drinks. But that's just the beginning. I know that you find this video informative so far and will continue to find the rest of this video informational and very educational. So go ahead and give me some support. This is simple, easy, and free of cost, but significantly very important. It will only take a few seconds of your time, and like I mentioned before, it will cost you nothing. But will help to grow my channel and also enable me to spread more valuable needed information like this. Now, Click on that thumbs up button. It's a simple act, but the impact can be massive. Imagine that simple click as a ripple in a pond, extending outwards to touch and influence others to become more conscious about becoming more informed about their health and well-being. It also helps to spread much-needed, important information to a wider audience, which can potentially make a change in someone's life. So, go ahead, show your appreciation for these types of informative videos. Click that thumbs up button to potentially make a change. Now, to ensure that you don't miss out on any more valuable content, click the subscribe button and the notification bell that is beside it, then select all to gain access to all the other videos on my channel and to stay up to date with any new ones that gets posted. Most importantly, subscribing is absolutely free. My channel isn't just about sharing, it's about building a community of knowledge seekers who understand the importance of staying informed and updated when it comes to a healthy lifestyle. The real magic happens when we focus on healing your enamel. Reducing sugar intake isn't just about cutting out candy and soda. It involves being mindful of hidden sugars in processed foods, sauces, and even supposedly healthy snacks like granola bars or fruit juices. Reading labels and choosing whole, unprocessed foods can make a significant difference in your dental health. But what if you already have a sweet tooth? There are natural alternatives to sugar that don't feed the harmful bacteria in your mouth. For example, xylitol, a sugar alcohol found in many sugar-free gums and candies, can actually inhibit the growth of Streptococcus mutans and help maintain a neutral pH in your mouth. Incorporating xylitol into your diet can be a powerful tool in your cavity-reversing arsenal. Your saliva is your best friend in this battle. It's naturally packed with the minerals your teeth need to repair themselves, but for this natural healing to occur, your mouth needs the right environment, a neutral pH and plenty of minerals. If your mouth is too dry, or if your saliva isn't doing its job, it's time to bring in reinforcements. This is where products like xylitol come into play. Xylitol is a natural sweetener that not only stimulates saliva production but also helps create the perfect environment for enamel repair. But don't stop there. Fluoride is another crucial component in strengthening your enamel. Fluoride helps to speed up the remineralization process and can even make your enamel more resistant to future acid attacks. While some people are cautious about fluoride, using it in moderation, such as with a fluoride toothpaste or mouth rinse, can be highly effective. It's also important to consider your diet. Foods rich in calcium and phosphorus, like dairy products, leafy greens and nuts, can help replenish the minerals in your enamel. Additionally, fat-soluble vitamins like vitamin D are crucial for calcium absorption and overall bone health, including your teeth. Now, if your decay has advanced into the dentin, the inner layer of your tooth, you might think it's too late, but let me tell you, that's not necessarily true. There's a myth out there that once decay reaches the dentin, it can't be stopped. I'm here to bust that myth wide open. The key to reversing deeper decay lies in closing off those tiny feeding channels that allow bacteria to thrive. This is where specific mouth rinses and fluoridated products come into play. The fluoride, particularly sodium fluoride in low concentrations, helps speed up the remineralization process, making your enamel stronger and more resistant to further decay. But that's not all. Your body has a natural defense mechanism inside your teeth, odontoblast cells. These cells can help repair internal damage by secreting new dentin, effectively blocking the bacteria from causing more harm. However, this process takes time, sometimes up to 2 years, so patience is crucial. In addition to fluoride, you can explore other remineralization agents. Casein phosphopeptide amorphous calcium phosphate, CPP-ACP, found in some dental products, has been shown to enhance remineralization. These compounds bind to the tooth surface and release calcium and phosphate ions where they're needed most, promoting the healing of the tooth structure. Another technique is oil pulling, an ancient Ayurvedic practice that involves swishing oil, such as coconut oil, in your mouth for 10 to 20 minutes daily. While it may sound unconventional, some studies suggest that oil pulling can reduce the number of harmful bacteria in your mouth, thus helping to prevent further decay. Now that you know the basics, you might be wondering how to implement these strategies in your daily routine. What specific products should you use? How can you tell if it's working? And what should you do if you're already dealing with a large cavity? Don't worry, I'll cover all of that in just a moment. But first, let's talk about prevention. The best way to deal with cavities is to stop them before they start. By incorporating these techniques into your daily oral care routine, you can protect not just one tooth, but your entire mouth. And in doing so, you'll save yourself a lot of pain, hassle, and money down the line. Creating a comprehensive oral hygiene routine is key. This includes brushing twice a day with a fluoride toothpaste, flossing daily, and using a mouth rinse that supports remineralization. But beyond these basics, consider incorporating regular dental checkups, a balanced diet, and perhaps even supplements like vitamin D and calcium to support your oral health from the inside out. And don't forget about the power of habit. Studies show that it takes about 21 days to form a new habit. So commit to these changes for at least 3 weeks and see how much your dental health improves. Keeping track of your progress, perhaps by taking notes or even photos, can help you stay motivated and see the real benefits over time. Reversing a cavity isn't a quick fix. It's a long-term commitment. But it's one that can save your tooth and prevent further damage. Over the next few months, as you implement these strategies, you'll start to notice a difference. Your teeth will feel stronger. Your dentist might even see improvements on your x-rays. And most importantly, you'll have taken control of your oral health. So, give yourself time. Remember that healing takes time. Your body needs time to repair the damage that's been done, so be patient with yourself and the process. Regular dental visits can help monitor your progress and adjust your plan as needed. If you're dealing with more severe decay, consider talking to your dentist about additional options, such as minimally invasive treatments that can help support the healing process. There's also emerging research into regenerative treatments that could potentially help teeth heal themselves more effectively in the future. And don't underestimate the importance of stress management. Chronic stress can impact your body's ability to heal, so make sure to take care of your mental and emotional health as well. Techniques like meditation, regular exercise, and getting enough sleep can all support your body's natural healing processes. Talk to your dentist about your progress and don't be afraid to ask for a little more time before resorting to fillings or other invasive treatments. Every month you give your body to heal naturally is a month closer to reversing that cavity. Remember, a healthy, pristine tooth is stronger and more beautiful than any filling or crown. By taking these steps, you're not just reversing a cavity, you're learning how to maintain the health of your entire mouth. Remember, a healthy, pristine tooth is stronger and more beautiful than any filling or crown. By taking these steps, you're not just reversing a cavity, you're learning how to maintain the health of your entire mouth. So take charge of your dental health today and watch as your efforts pay off in the form of a bright, healthy smile that lasts a lifetime. This journey is about more than just reversing a single cavity. It's about embracing a lifestyle that supports your overall health and well-being. By making these changes, you're investing in your long-term health, and that's something to be proud of. Let's spread the word that reversing cavities at home is not only possible, but within reach for everyone. Click the like button also. Share it with your friends and family. The information provided in this video is intended for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian before starting any new diet or making significant changes to your eating habits, especially if you have underlying health conditions. Your health is your most significant asset, and it's crucial to make informed decisions under the guidance of professionals. Remember, there isn't a one-size-fits-all solution to health, and what works for one person may not work for another. Therefore, work with your healthcare provider to make the best decisions for your health. Use this information as a starting point. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, take action today for a healthier tomorrow, and in the meantime, keep an eye out for my next upcoming video. But until my next video, Click on the playlist that is displayed at the end of this video for more informational and educational videos like this. Stay healthy, stay happy, and keep learning.